Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your camera now working on your iPhone. So what you want to do is go on over to your camera application just like this and open it up. Now switch between the front and the rear camera, and there may be one that works and the other doesn't. Now the reason this is happening is because there could be a different application on your iPhone using the camera, and it won't allow the camera app to use it. So what you want to do is swipe on down from the bottom, or swipe up from the bottom, and then go to your apps right here, and then we want to close different applications. So let's swipe up, and I'll probably just close everything. And when you do that, maybe I saw Snapchat on there and that was using my camera before, and just by closing the application we can go back to camera now and it may actually work. So another thing that we could try is going up to settings right here, going down to privacy and security, select this, then going down to camera, and we can start removing the access to specific applications. So just go through all these, and there could be a little symbol on the top that's like an indication your camera is being used if you swipe on down. So right here, if something is using my camera, it should show up on there. So we can just remove the access to all these different applications except the camera one, and then just see if that is the issue. So we can go back here, and then you can swipe on down. You can see cameras being used on the top. So we know something is using the camera, and it's this specific application, the camera app. So just go to that specific app under the permissions, and then you can just cancel that out. Now another thing you can do is just do a forced restart. So press the volume up, volume down, and hold down the power button. Volume up, volume down, hold down the power button, and just completely restart your phone. This should automatically just close all your apps, and then when you start it up, it should work. So you shouldn't have to do too much, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.